Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Bobby Fischer and Lapiken. This is a game from 57th US Open Championship, played in 1956. Bobby Fischer had white pieces and he started with knight to f3. Lapiken played knight to f6, g3, d5, bishop to g2, bishop to f5, and Bobby Fischer castled kingside. Very modest start, isn't it? e6, d3, c6, knight from b to d2, black to move. Knight to a6 was played. h6 is the most played move, so if knight goes to h4 attacking the bishop, bishop to h7 is played. Bishop to e7 is also a very popular move. Lapiken played knight to a6, a3, knight to c5, c4, black to move. b5 was played. Beta was a5, preventing b4. b5. This move weakens the c-pawn, and this did not escape Fischer's sharp eye. He played knight to d4, attacking the pawn on c6 and the bishop on f5. Queen to d7, knight takes bishop, damaging the pawn structure. Knight to b3, h6. This line is good for white. If knight takes on b3, queen takes on b3, and if black takes on c4, d takes on c4, b takes on c4, queen takes on c4, and black is in trouble. Back to our game. h6 was played. Bishop to e3, threatening bishop on knight takes on c5. Knight to e6, knight to d4, attacking the pawn on f5, defending. Queen to b3, rook to b8, lining the rook with white queen. This is now the most interesting moment of the game. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause or did you find? Bobby Fischer played knight takes on c6, removing the defender of the pawn on d5. Queen takes on c6, c takes on d5, forking the queen and the knight. Knight to c5, attacking white queen. So, pawn takes queen on c6 is not the best move. Fischer removed the target. And Lapiken removed the target too. White to move. How would you continue now? Please pause again and find the best move for white. What did you find? Did you notice that black queen on d6 is overloaded, defending two knights? Bishop takes on c5 was played. Queen takes on c5. White played the move when black resigned, and the move is queen takes on f6. Black resigned. If rook to g8, queen to e5 check, winning the rook. Perhaps bishop to g7 is better than queen takes on g7, and white is winning. That is why player with the black pieces resigned in this position. Bobby Fischer is considered by many to be the greatest chess player of all time. Do you agree with them? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.